You think I wouldn't post another real life video? Well, you're wrong. Because I just bought a new car. Ignore it. It doesn't have the clock like my old one. Like this is the Wuling Alves thing. And oh my god, it's bright. It basically everything is cloth because this is the EX model. Cloth seats, as you can see. I don't think you can see. No, it's just black for you. At least I have cloth seats. Cloth. Wait, this is like plastic. Metal. Automatic transmission. Quality plastic. Everything's just cloth or quality plastic. There's nothing like low quality in this car. Even the screen's high quality. And the ball stopper. Yeah, it's just basically a Wuling turbo thing. Like one of those cars that you would just see on the road driving. I mean, yeah, you would see this like pretty often. But this thing is a sleeper. This thing is sort of fast for its class, I guess. And this thing is cheap for like you know, all the features it has and the engine. It also has the older engine, the LJO from Wuling GM thing. People that's out of Asia would not know what Wuling even is unless they have an imported car. And my camera's really blurry for some reason. Hold on. Yeah, it's just blurry. I can zoom on the camera like this. You can barely see anything, basically. It's really bright today, so yeah, I'm just gonna end probably the review. This is just a full-blown thing. Just gonna leave it here like this. And this thing has 5 seats and space in the back.
In 200 meters, turn left.
Which is not special, but it's special that it has really no, it doesn't, you know, bruh. It has like really good space in the back, so you can like, I don't know, like recline if I didn't have baggage. You can basically like sleep in here. Basically, you can turn this into a bed. The back would like fold down and such, so you could like sleep. The full-blown bed in the rear.
In 600 meters, turn right.
And there's a lot of cars you can probably not see because it's so goddamn bright.
There's a lane closure ahead.
Oh, come on! Also, look at the view. My god, what a view. Just buildings. Also, we're going to a water park, which is not ideal because it's so goddamn hot. The water is probably gonna burn me. and also a lot of like closed
Turn
spaces,
right.
like that, and that, and that one too. House. See, another closed space. What the frick? What in the automobile is that? Bruh? There's two identical cars in front of me right now. Like what? What? And there's this weird line of AC. Only one is like real. Like this one doesn't go to this. This is just for show. Like this is like ambient lighting. And this is just the AC. You would think it would stretch out like all the way to the driver. No. It just ends here and then to here,
Continue for
like
1
normal
kilometer.
car. And there's like a vent there. Can you see it? I don't think you can see it. Like there's a vent down there. Well, I think I'm just gonna end it here and wait for part 2 while I edit this.